How to fix can't hear calls unless speakerphone is on. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix can't hear calls unless speakerphone is on error coming up while you're on a call. Now, this happens normally when you are connected to a Bluetooth device. So what you want to do is try disconnecting the Bluetooth device. Scroll down the notification bar and make sure the Bluetooth is turned off, and even if it's turned off you might want to toggle that switch on, turn it on and then turn it back off again. Now once you do this, make sure the ringer volume is turned on. Now to do so, tap on the or press on the volume up button and make sure the ringer volume, however this you can see the ringtone, make sure it's turned on, and while you're on call you'll get the call volume right there, and make sure it's turned on too. Now if this doesn't help, you might want to just reset your device. Now to reset your device, what you want to do is press and hold the power button and you'll get an option to restart and power up. Just tap on restart and your phone will restart real quick, and this will fix the issue. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.